Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about the H&K Gourmet Signature Blend Barbecue Rub. Now, absolutely love this stuff when I'm doing a straight traditional barbecue, whether it's going to be on chicken, whether it's going to be on beef. This is my go-to for barbecue rub. It's nice, it's sweet, it's smooth, it has a nice aroma, it smells delicious, it comes out delicious. It's got a little bit of heat to it, as you can see. It has a little picture of a little pepper right there, which is something that most people like in their barbecues. They mostly like them sweet, tangy, and a little bit of heat all at the same time. Now they do make other ones. They have this H&K barbecue rub. They also have an Italian, and they also have a Fiesta. But the barbecue rub, hands down for me, is the best one. And the best thing of all is that it has no MSGs. It's all natural. It's gluten-free, and it's vegan. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's vegan, but you're putting it on different types of meat. Yes, but you can also put this on your vegetables, whether you're roasting corn or if you are grilling some kale, which I love grilling kale all the time, or roasting some peppers, like some of the sweeter, bigger peppers. And even if I'm going to be doing some jalapenos or some tomatillos, I like to put it in there as well, and it just gives it a little bit of something that's extra, so when people taste it, they can't quite put their fingers on it, because normally people will use a barbecue rub strictly for their meat, and then they put it on, they rub it on, throw it on the grill, forget it, and then they're done. But when you have a gourmet signature blend of barbecue rub, you don't want to do that. You want to take your time with it and go on about your business and just enjoy that deliciousness. Now the ingredients are extremely simple. You have brown sugar, you have turbina, you have salt, paprika, cumin, black pepper, garlic, onion, garlic, and then onion, red pepper, and then white pepper. So basically, it is everything that's supernatural. When I make my barbecue baked beans, I throw in my brown sugar. Anyway, when I make my own sauces, I throw in brown sugar. It's kind of a little secret ingredient. People don't normally think about that. When you get regular barbecue sauces from the grocery store, like just something off the shelf, they put a lot of high fructose corn syrup in it, and you can offset that by making your own. It's very easy to do. There's tons of different recipes, and this is something that I would put into that mix of those sauces. And as you can see here, if you look, you can see all of the different types of seasonings that are in there, and it's beautiful. It even has recipes for you to go if you want to go to their actual website. You can get hnkgourmet.com, and you can check out their different recipes. So once you do get this, or the other two that they make, you can literally go and just start having fun with it. So this one here is a 6-ounce bottle. This is about my 5th one. I don't think that they make a bigger one, because I would have gotten it and I haven't found one yet. But if they do make a bigger one, I'm gonna get the bigger one, because it's just that good. And you can throw it on top of some of your eggs as well, if you like that kind of thing. Use it almost like a seasoning, but very, very, very little, because it is meant to be a rub. So it is potent and has a lot of flavors to it. So let's go ahead and open it up. And then there you go. You can even see the red pepper flakes in there. This is what it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of sand by a riverbank, actually. It's all natural, no MSGs, gluten-free, vegan-free. I absolutely love the way it tastes. And this is, just pop it out right there. And then there you go. Now this is all natural seasonings in here that you can just rub it in. So you would just take, if you had a big piece of meat, you would take a lot of it and then just rub it into that meat and get it in there. If it's an older cut of meat or if it's a tougher cut of meat, you can poke holes in it and you can rub this barbecue rub inside of there before you throw it on a grill. I like to get flap steak as well and rub it in just all on one side and then roll it up into almost like a tube kind of feel, and then throw that on the grill. And then this is sitting right in the middle, marinade. It becomes a marinade because you have all of the juices from that meat, if it's beef, and it gets mixed in and it's self-contained. So you're using the layers of the meat as a wrap to self-contain these seasonings. So I highly recommend the H&K barbecue rub. Go out, cook yourself some up, enjoy it with friends, enjoy it with family, and yeah, can't say anything better about the H&K Gourmet Signature Blend Barbecue Rub. Once again, no MSGs, it's all natural, it's gluten-free, and it's vegan. So you can't get much more healthier than that. Have a nice one.